4 people's body were found in a car in an uninhabited place in December 2008. The footage we will see now captures some of their last moments. The video shows the boy driving through an uninhabited area. They keep going despite losing their way. Going to the front, they see a signboard saying that it is forbidden to go to the front from here. But as they move forward, some strange things happen to them. The next day, police found the video footage.
Remember me? Jay, just give me the... What are you doing? Turn it back on. What are you doing?
Whether the videoman managed to escape or not is still a mystery.
Please, no! Number 4.
This is a viral video on YouTube. In this video, we will see an ordinary person who is sitting in front of a black background. The video shows him undressing without saying anything, and then he started rubbing dirt on his body, and he sometimes makes strange noises.
Toi, cherche-le dans tes dents, là, comme ça. Entre tout ça, là, il doit être là, comme ça. Allez, comme ça, là, derrière, voilà, comme ça, cherche. Allez!
Number 3.
This video is very scary and mysterious. It's called Cooking Idol. The video shows a doll doing strange things, and it is uncomfortable to watch the video. The video shows the doll's head and other objects scattered on a table. And there is only blood and blood all around. This video has been uploaded to Nana825763 YouTube channel, and there are many more disturbing videos in the channel. This video has a lot of mysteries, poses and activities. This channel is not for the weak.
Number 2.
10 equals -1 is very haunting video. The video opens up showing us what seems to be a stairway to a basement with a masked figure glaring at the viewer. Garbled speech and cries can be heard in the background along with which sounds like footsteps in the leaves with something very heavy being dragged behind him. We can hear what is presumably his victim while video displays our masked figure sharpening his weapons of choice. The presence of evil seems to have an unhealthy obsession with Nightmare on Elm Street style death. In the remaining seconds of the video we see an individual draped in a sheet. As the figure moved between them and the camera, it looks like there is mystery to be solved. No upload activity has been documented since the video was made public.
Number 1.
This video is from a YouTube channel called WPKEKW. This video has been uploaded to YouTube several times, but every single time it has been removed from YouTube. The reason behind removing the video was the complaint made by many people. They said that this video has side effect. This video shows no results when searched. The video is all about the bloody face of a person. It is said that bad experiments were done on this person, and this is his last video. Many people say that, after watching the video, an automatic virus will enter your device. And you will see the picture of that person again and again.